Hi Java students. So if you are on a Mac, you will click the link that takes you to our Google Drive to be able to get this download, and I'm going to show you how to get the grid game template onto IntelliJ for Macs. So we're going to go ahead and right click or two-finger click on this and download this zip file that's in the Google Drive folder that we linked for you all. You'll see it download down here. From there, you're going to go to Finder and find this thing in your downloads. It should be the first thing that you see right there. If you notice, I've done this quite a few times over the years. So this one's number 8 for me, but it should say gridgame-master.zip for you. No other number necessary. What we're going to do is we're going to copy that file. So I'm going to right click and, oops, sorry, not right click. You either use hotkeys or we'll say File, Copy. Sorry, edit, copy, or hotkeys to copy that file. So Command C or edit and then copy. And now we need to go find our idea project folder where you put all your IntelliJ projects. So we need to find our user folder. I have mine saved as a favorite over here on the side, so I could just click to right there. It should say my name because it's my computer. If you don't have this already saved as a favorite, you're gonna go up to where it says downloads at the top of your Finder window, and you're going to right click. You will see some options. Hopefully you see the house icon with your username right there at the top, and we're going to click on that. From there, you'll see a folder called Idea Projects. That's where all of your IntelliJ code lives. So far, I've got tons and tons and tons of code in there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control V or paste my zip file there. And then from there, on this zip file, I'm just going to double click to unzip that zipped file. And now I should have something that's called grid game template-master, and it has a bunch of IntelliJ files in there. From here, let's go open IntelliJ and let's open up that new grid game template. That's an old one. I'm going to go up to IntelliJ and click open. And then I'm going to go to the same place I did, Idea Projects, and then find the one that's brand new called Grid Game Template Master and click Open. This opens up that file for me. So now I have a grid game template. We'll give it a second to load up all the things. In the end, the class we want to open is the one called Run Graphical Game, so we'll double click on that one. And right away we'll notice that there's some stuff that's highlighted in red. That's because we don't have our core.jar file added as a library yet. So all of the things that are in the land of graphics and processing aren't being imported. We have that core.jar file already in this overall grid game master. It's hidden inside of this folder called lib. So we're going to drop down on lib and find that core.jar. All we need to do is right click on core.jar, two-finger click, and say add as library like we used to for graphics. And then say OK. And now all of our red errors go away. If I run this program now, I should see a graphics window pop up with a grid on it. Top left corner should be red. And there you go. Now you're all set up.